If you want to add a photo to a contact on a Nothing phone 4A or 4A Pro, first we're gonna go to the phone app. Once you open the phone app, on the home page, you want to simply go to the list of contacts, so you can tap on View Contacts here, or in the upper left corner tap on 3 lines and choose Contacts in there. Now we can choose the contact for which we want to choose a photo or an image. We're gonna tap on this pen in the upper right corner. Then we have our picture in here, so we're gonna tap on it. You can open the camera in order to immediately take a photo right now and then set it as the contact photo, or you can just choose an image from the gallery. You can also switch to the Google Photos, Monogram, or Illustrations if you're looking for something different. In my case, I'm just gonna go to the gallery, and now we can choose a picture. So let's say I'm just gonna choose this one over here. We can of course still adjust the picture. We can zoom in, zoom out, and change the position of the picture. We can rotate it as well, and then tap on choose at the bottom of the screen. And then we're gonna use save in the upper right corner. There we go, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.